Hello my people, welcome back to DIGINAIJA TV. Make una well done for clicking this video. Today matter where we won't talk na very emotional one, na about popular Nollywood actress Fethia Balogun, also known as Faithia Williams, as she lose her mother on the very night where she dey celebrate her 55 years birthday. This news don't shock fans and colleagues for all parts of Nigeria and even abroad. For this video, we go talk wetin happen and the emotional things she later share. Recently, Fethia Balogun celebrate her 55th birthday with one big and beautiful party where plenty family members, friends and Nollywood colleagues attend. The party full with joy, laughter and love, everything you go expect for milestone birthday. But unknown to her at that time, one very sad thing done already happen. According to reports, Fethia's mother passed away on the night of her birthday. To protect her from shock and make she enjoy the celebration, her family decide to keep the news from her until after the party. It only be after the party done end that Fethia learn say her mother don't pass away, and the moment really break her heart. For social media, Fethia share her feelings with one touching tribute. She described her late mother as her best friend, prayer warrior, gist partner and biggest supporter. She talks say the happiest day for her life turned to one of the most painful memories. Videos where later surface show the emotional moment where people break the news to her as colleagues and family surround her to comfort her and pray with her. Since then, fans, celebrities and well-wishers don't fill her social media pages with messages of condolence and support. Many people describe the situation as one of life's ironies, where happiness and deep sorrow meet on the same day. The family don't also ask for privacy and prayers as they mourn this great loss. Them promise say burial arrangements go be shared later. On behalf of DIGINAIJA TV, our prayers dey with Fethia Balogun and her entire family during this difficult time. May her mother's soul rest in perfect peace, and may God give the family strength to bear this loss. If you find this video informative, abeg like, share and subscribe to DIGINAIJA TV for more entertainment news and updates. Thank you for watching.